Hi, welcome to the video 38 of our Adobe Premiere Pro classes. In this video, you're going to learn how to create the split screen videos so that you can add multiple videos in a single frame. Even the video you are seeing right now is not actually and technically is a split screen video. It's a PIP video, picture in picture video. Split screen is where I'm going to show multiple things at once. I'll show you how to do it. It's actually very easy, guys. All you need is just a little patience and mindset. That's it. Now let's say I want to split this car into two different tracks. For this, what I can do is I go to the FX panel and search for the crop effect. I'm going to apply for both layers. Now I want to split this car into two different colors. Actually, one is in blue color, another one is in white color. Since I removed the ultra key, that's why it is showing like that. You can check the previous video to know more about how to remove the ultra key and different effects. So I applied the crop effect for both clips. I select the top clip. Since I want to crop on from the right side, I crop it like this. So since I want to remove this 50% of the part, I select the bottom layer and from right side I want to make it as 50. I increase even more. So like this you can add the crop effect. I'll show you with a person, I mean me only, so that you can understand even more better. For these two images, one I want to make colorful, another one like black and white. So I select the bottom clip. Since I want to showcase on the top side, I want to remove the 50% of the bottom side. So 50% done. So now I go to the lumetri color panel and decrease the saturation to 100%. And I want to apply the same effect to the top of the clip, but in opposite direction. So it should be like in 50% on the left side. As you can see, one side is in color, one side is in black and white. Now I'll show you, if in case you recorded a video, let's say it's a 16:9 aspect ratio video, how to do that. For this, again, we want crop effect. I'm applying the crop effect and cutting the unnecessary edges like this. This is actually one clip. Think like it is one clip, and this is second clip. So I want to place another clip here. First, I'll move it to the left so that you can see clearly. And this clip also, I cropped it, same effects, same. So I move it like this. I decrease even more the size so that you can see clearly. Perfect. I think good. 73. Okay. You can just copy the motion effects as well. So as you can see, we created a split screen like this. You can create n number of things depending on your project file, guys. Yeah, that's pretty much about it. This is how you can create split screen for your videos, and it's not like 1 2 3 like that. You can create n number of split screens. All you need is like you are taking the correct values for each thing. If any one clip mess up, then entire look and feel is going to be ruined. So that's why be careful with this. Just focus on the values, I mean the percentage values of the crop as well as the motion, so that you don't find any of the problems. Yeah, that's pretty much about it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to the side of it to get notified whenever I post a new video. Catch you in the next video.